So sorry, guys, man. It's so annoying. Anyway, I'm not too sure with the other video post, but yeah. So he later come meet me, collabo, Ackman, Usidom, he explain himself, explain himself. So they can understand, say everything what he be do, it was wrong. Okay. Talk to me, he apologize. We finish with that, we'll talk and play love back like brothers them. So then I come back with another date for the same Mabuka now. He say want another, the same following week. You not give me a chance to say one more week. He said the same following week. That's when I already booked for a wedding where I forgot perform. Now I say, well, info travel, And I said, but this ain't about you travel, and this is about another person. I said, well, maybe they already take money from the people. Let's see if we're able to go give the person money back, don't go big and become a family. You understand? I said, well, you don't get amount of money then. I said, well, no problem. Maybe flop on for you. Just from the heart. For little more, you know, they will settle back now. We'll make another document fresh of waiting at the expects. 2 motoka, 3 rooms, feeding, go and come. They say, no problem, blah, 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 blah. We done. We go now ATM, we go count the money we saying get. We say, put the balance where I get. Now tell us, say, you collaborate, them go pay the person. I say, no, that's okay. We give collabo. I tell we give collabo. Yeah? We do all that day. The day for the events come. You can meet Musa, you know, near me back, near me box. And me man, the walking go with DJs and artists and all that. This man come, he count 2 motoka. The one they sign and the other one. The mister been get out of motoka with me. Because me always like, for make sure say I get my own plan, be just in case. We left for go back at the same broker. On we all go, in your motoka, 1 point motoka the way rent, by the contract, go and born. So pack him, he end up kind of me motoka, the plan B motoka now. We go, it was okay, we go again, play laugh, joke. Then we go reach. So like how they talk, we they ask why you not talk this, you know all this. So like I know all what I dey explain so. Yeah? We go reach at the Mabuka day. Waiting I be the reason we make cannot be do the Mabuka show. I go meet say yes, you don't settle up. We do the rally, it was fun, it was we enjoy the rally. It made me enjoy. We make safe. And this have been Sunday inside Mabuka. I laid on our hotel and sleep. We lodge in a rally. We lodge in a rally in a Makini. I did force to pass. I did book the 2 room them before we go to the rally. But it not pay. It just say more than go 2 room. Now pass we go. From the rally now, we come back. Na rally in the hotel in Makini. I don't lodge. Call for go perform. We go perform. Show was successfully. Say happy, glad, blah 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 blah. Family, you're not going to believe say. Now, on the stage where they perform, at the last time, see voice with me. But the 2 motoka the way it ends, where the one don't come born now wood. The other one now we go so okay this. Any kind way that left one for LJ in Bobo the blade return because LJ already get another motoka. That same motoka they back now for stick. That next day, now go back, now can free to left. He left one of Kennedy. No bill sorted out. He left one of Kennedy. He saying they want for go catch flights in Conakry. And not say they take taxi, and not say they take bike because people can take bike from Makeni to Frito. The 1 green motoka we left with in the under me contract now. This motoka now they go which now they carry it in the under me contract. But take that motoka they back. It go time. He left with 16 na Makeni with 16 for 1 green motoka. You understand? With 16 na Makeni now left. With me motoka 1 go. No phone call, no nothing. I got to make myself sit down. Now the people can come book me back for other show. Now I take them money back now. Now I rent taxi them for the other bobo them, fuel the motoka them, fuel we motoka, pay for the hotel rooms, and come for it all. Yes. Imagine this is an left phone on my book now, so the post where they make sure now sorry. So we don't boy never talk out. I left him, I come, I'll call them, wait I cancel, and I'll block the all. Because maybe no so get sure that I had say what they cancel. Maybe no say, thank for call, then for call me. Yes. Can me, I think Zuleika can they between we now. You know, begin to talk, on block them, begin talk, big. So no problem. I think the next show for being open on will be the Waterloo show when I've been December 26. December 26, now I can get this problem. You understand? I can't get this problem. I go inside. December 26, pass me inside it. So then, of course, you know, say that they're very impossible because they're not going to go pull me in a them. I would follow, go perform. You know? So this thing I can't come on and do. Now, the breaking point. Me and you two will get shows lined up coming up. Yeah? Then, first of all, where they talk like say first they pay me full first. When I make level show now any document first we who sign me to sign where you pay me fully. Because all me members who ever pay me when a documentation. Now we say this at deposit, I go deposit half money, then the balance will give you. When I make level show now that paper they be big. Yeah? Then nobody no understand how I come on a Pademba what's gonna be my conditions. Some people don't even understand what's gonna be the allegations against me. You understand? Okay, yes, as my James in case come, but other cases them back me they will come. You understand? So at the end of the day, now me know what's gonna be my condition, my bail condition what they give me for commodity na Pademba for that be a free man. Yes, now me know. I said come on also. Now me and my lawyer and I will commodity together and pull me this if you want with me commodity. Because first of all, if anybody be make noise first at the place they Allah like say what they enjoy, they take me back and go to me inside. So now behind them pass me say for document send motuka, one with you commodity. Would I for follow with bike now they can meet you now also be on a beach. As to reach so now I tell Zuleika. I said the condition what they give me, what come for put myself down. You don't want to see me in a state, you don't want to say, oh my God, that for just come down for stay with the magistrate, me own lawyer, me say emphasize on that. Okay, let's stay away from all these things first. Boom. Because what you go past an entertainment, people let me go misunderstand you back tomorrow. So everything was laid out. Everything was laid out. Openly, I say, it show that, make a known. I make a known. You understand? So maybe the open house say, before the show, before the Kabbalah show they come, we go down fair way meet with the people then back, we find a way so okay, I'll go on this condition way, I'm not gonna make sure, I'm not gonna make sure. You understand? So I've been the whole hope that one day, hoping for that. The day where the Kabbalah show come. First of all, voice no say first, maybe they talk personally, and they try how if we promote that kind of show because the show being gets your own drama back inside the same Kabbalah day. Maybe they tell us, don't worry, bro. You don't need nobody. Just go to me one no more. So, no, not only person at you. I mean, any show they do, they make sure say I participate for advertise and they come out, I for come out. And they left the promoter a show by myself. And voice not in a salon. What will they use for the do show them? We get to fan club then at the ground, the way you go meet earlier 1 month, so now then they help you do promo. You and then in England, then you get why you born a free on there, you want go do show na Kabbalah and Mabuka and this, but you didn't. So when I go there now, you want to go to 3-4 bike, the pass and the tongue. No. These are people that when you reach them, get their own way, they already beef themselves. They feel like say you care for each week. So all these things maybe the soccer mean, but they don't even know. You understand? So make a note to them say, hey, look, right now I can so I get sat inside and they wouldn't not allow me for go, certain things they don't allow for do. They just want me for just stay away, calm down. I mean know how I come out, not all I will talk. Now me know how I come out, who say I come out. So if voice where they call me say in video say me na in border, me into a personal relationship. If you look me like a brother, I believe say no go one for see I come on a Pademba 3 days there making 4 days I don't go say Pademba back. You no go want dandy. You no go want dandy for me. But always be the show, always be want, be the look at them. To be honest, you know be the look at them from the contract level. If you look at it from the angle of saying, me, I'm selfish, I mean, money I want. Your show can be done another day. Your show. could be done another day, another date. When everything normal, it could be done another day, another date. But for save me on that time, no, you now wait till you want for let me go back in the party. But I can't able go do your show. You Kabbalah show. Then the next day they arrest me back. Then me suffer, me go to suffer, me know how they feel, me go to the but you depend country money. Then you say you know me border, but you know be patient for what you do and the right way with me. Where you know say this man is free and I'm enjoying my money. You understand? But nobody know this so. Go sit down, they talk to that, but where they talk to so this and they talk say Kabbalah people are vexed. No, Kabbalah people are not vexed. They know how many times I don't go there. They know how much I appreciate them. They know how much I love them. And by if they when they watch this video, so tell them I'm not going to go to Kabbalah again because I'm going to take an enemy to LA. I not like LA. I really not like LA. Always to not care about 2-3 change on and can give people and go to big dates there. Then you want somebody go wreck for your sake. You say you get contract, let we go to a police station. Like how you go and go the last time back, Kale we go back. Kale we go, let me show you how many times you don't violate, you don't jump your own contract, your word, your writings. Kale we go. Kale we go. I'm ready. You know me, I'm ready. Kale we go. Una can make post in talk. Una can let go post in the talk. You dey force me for do something. Even when did they come? What did they come for the day for the show? The same date. When you can meet me at a petrol station, you meet with the biofuel station, the biofuel. You can meet me, hey boss, I would already alternate. I said talk to Zuleika. And all it I said go talk to Zuleika because Zuleika know. Go and talk to Zuleika. Zuleika know. You Zuleika they talk past everybody in the salon. So waiting all this, they gap now, they go make live, they make like say you know be no. They make like say now this me do you, they make like person. Now you be no. You be no, Zuleika be no. Una all be know what's happen, una all be know what's be happen, una all be know what's be the agreement, una all be know. Man can't sit down also they make cry and people they make like person I die, you don't die. When you able get another date the next day, I die, you die. You know if you show so go find pass like I for being fine pass the one miss. That you want damage, you want tarnish, you want make so, you want make a look bad. But at the same time, like, you didn't beg me on the being close to follow go do the show. When you go on Facebook back, they talk big man talk. You're not fine. The man who you want make money with now you want damage. You're not fine. You're not fine. You know nothing about salon music, nothing about salon industry, how people they work. Fuck God, you don't know. You're not fine. You don't need for stop there be there also. Just because they make it easy for you, and not they make it like anybody else for make it for you, you want to take advantage now. Then when something go wrong now from me side, you want to chat the whole children man feel like so legend a bad guy. But you deep inside, you know exactly say if you explain to people exactly what's happening, I swear to God, they will tell you say no voice, no boy said. So you really want that boy go do that thing, then go hold back and go lock up. Where the boy came, we settle that thing for matter of time. Then when I get another date, now wickedness. Me, I get family, I get people, I get picking that I get for take care of. So if you just another feel like working inside that, I for only worry about you, how you feel, we will get another date, so we will find another. I don't deny another to do show. But I know they do them until then clear me out. I know they do them until then clear me for the show. So if you want, let's go back to the police, and the police are back, they go take you back, say yes, that man then I saw on this level today. Let we go. Let we go. If you just are afraid, Carlo go me na monku. You know sabi me. Come on, boy, yourself. I'm disappointed at you. Very disappointed. If you want your money, Carlo go give you money. I put some back live back. If you want your money, Carlo will go give you money. Yeah? But I don't go allow you for sidom, for try for talk bad about me, tarnish me, make I look bad to people then. Look, I wake up this morning and so SLPP forum them. They screenshot from there. They send them to me in my own inbox, but they talk about Fulaman. How are you then Fulaman and police? What think out tribal pan this pan show? What think out tribal pan show? Where they don't even know the side of news story. They don't even know what's happening. But guess what? I bet you should tell some people in the way they make so. Then be one of them say, okay, they don't go legit back today. Then they write some all over. Hey, legit again. You don't even tell if you don't go back. Hey, legit again. Yes. Now from entertainment way sometimes you from just look because you know from an entertainment point of view, for those okay, boss, what you for do now? We'll find another date because the game Kenny showed this and the pastor went to simple. They go kidnap now Facebook, they make like we're saying I kill and kill you. Now you bring all kind of other sets of people and inside the conversation. We're not necessary. All by one take advantage of kill fair way for causes man because of this thing don't count. But they don't know my side of the story. Nobody never call me, ask me. Only one way they call you so for let the interview you so today to man, I shake it, this and that. They never call me phone and get me number and say, okay, Lejo, one get you on the phone because we didn't get voice today. They not do it. But then go sit down there with you back as entertainer DJs and sit down there with you, ask you all kind of questions, people they listen, then the news to go back home in different pattern. I make a decide to say before you go talk, let me say talk, yeah? Yeah? Thank you very much, man. I'm not gonna waste my time now, so yeah. McKinney, Friday I'll be live now, McKinney. So please, make sure soon I get ready. Alright? Thank you guys so much. I love you guys all. Thank you for supporting me. You know, I like one guy with Steve Elegina you meet. I've been as well look like cool. I like to meet all my mates. Drama pan drama. Drama pan drama. Drama pan drama. Drama every day. The bobo just come out and maybe allow me like yes, fine, safe. All that team back. Then the other team back now somebody they close to you back and they count somebody. It's like say all man just want and no say LJ is the way to my way upstairs. La hang for our logo. Now but know the work. Yeah. Now anybody hold me now for hang for the batty and yeah, teach man like tennis ball. And I love her so much, man. Alright? The man go eat sober breakfast, man. Boss, shall we say the vocalo eat? Yeah? Therefore the stress. Bye. Thank you all, man. I love you guys so much.